Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 3 AMOLED edition, and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. So the first thing I want to show you is how to navigate this system, or rather how to navigate the system on this watch. To do it, we have basically buttons on the side, and each button performs different action. For example, control button or the light button opens, or rather wakes up or turns off the screen, but if you press and hold it, it will open the control menu. And in this menu we have different shortcuts for different actions like power off, do not disturb, battery saver and stuff like that. The back button makes you go back basically in the menu. So if I want to close the control menu and want to go back to the previous page, I can press the back button. The menu button serves us two functions. We have the up button, so if you press the menu button once, it will basically go up, and same for the down button, so if you press it once, it will go down. So up and down buttons are used to move through the menus, but if you press and hold the up button, it will open the menu, the main menu of the watch. Like I said before, you can use the up button to scroll through the menu, and the down button as well. Another thing we can do is to use the start button to select the options. For example, if you open the menu and you want to open the watch face menu, you can press the start button to open the option. Another thing that start button does is if you press it on the home screen, it will open the activities menu, and here we can start the workout. And to start it, basically select the workout you like, press the start. You can wait for the GPS, but if you don't want to, you can press the start again and it will start the workout, and then we can stop it by pressing the start button. To pause it, then we can stop it by selecting the discard or save. Okay, so let's stop the workout. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, if the workout is going, a back button has another function. Basically, you can set the lap during the workout. So I forgot to mention that. Okay, so that's basically the basics on how to navigate the system with the buttons. If you want to open the settings on your watch, you can press and hold the up button when you're on the home screen to open the menu. Then you can scroll up or down until you see the settings. Here we have the settings menu, and you can access different settings for your watch. If you want to, like I said before, for example, open the controls menu and maybe turn on the do not disturb mode, you can press and hold the control button to open the control menu. And if you want to enable the do not disturb mode, select the do not disturb mode option, press GPS to turn it off or on. We have the status right here. If you want to turn off the watch, you can press and hold the control button, select the power off option, press GPS to confirm, then press down to scroll down, select yes and press GPS to confirm, and the watch will turn off. And if you want to turn it on, you need to press and hold the night button. And once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. Okay, and last thing I want to show you is how to change the watch face, because it's quite basic. What you need to do is to press and hold the menu button to open the menu, then select the watch face, press GPS, it will open the watch face menu, and here you can find the watch face you like, select it, then press GPS and select apply to change to the watch face, like that. Okay, and that's how you use the watch on this watch. This is the basics, but basically that's what you need to know how to use this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.